What up? It's your girl Jay Stacks the Healer. While I'm here to shine my light upon the darkness. Yes. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It should be somewhere around like right there. And hit that notification bell. That way you know when I upload a video, okay? Let's heal together. Now, daily angel number. Spirit guide, Most High. My ancestors. What is the angel number for the collective today? Ooh. I'm going to have to dig. I'm going to have to dig. Ooh, give us one. Give us one. Give us one. 1717. Let go of the past. Release, forgiveness, healing, growth, new beginnings, moving forward, renewal. It's time to release the weight of the past and embrace the new opportunities ahead. Trust your instincts, especially if you feel called to lead others, as the universe is guiding and supporting you in this journey. That was for me. Okay, yes. I had to heal in order to lead y'all. So, some of y'all need to heal to lead others. 1717, you could be born on the 17th. And then this is 14, 15, 16. That's still 7. Could be born in July. Release the weight of the past and embrace new opportunities ahead. Trust your instincts. Confirmation. Confirmation. Open it. Yeah. Y'all get it. Y'all get it. 1717.